Hey, Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to use Novio. Okay, so I've already created a list in my business section. Okay, you can go in the business section and then create a list using add list. Okay, now I have created a list named test. I'm going to the company profile search. You can also go into the company profile search section from here under the more tools bar. Now you can go to this. Now simply search the country you want the leads from, the industry. You can also search city, specialities, and all that stuff. Founding date. You can also go by like company size. Let's suppose 1 to 10. You can also check the state and company name. Okay. Now I'm going to go with this, and I've hit search. Let's give it a minute. Okay, so now it has given us all these leads. Now you see this, check this. You can also select all in list, which is like more than 5,000. 5,000 is the maximum, that's why it's showing 5,000, but it is more than 5,000. Or you can go with all on page. There's 20 on this page, so I'm just showing you for this for the sake of testing it and making a video. So I'm going to add it to the test list that we made. Now those 20 have been added. Now what I will do is that I will go into find emails and I will go to bulk domain search. So in the bulk domain search there are two options: upload from file or choose from companies list. We just created a test list, so we are going to search that test list. Okay, now in terms of prospects, I always select 3 contacts per domain. Okay, I will show you why 3 contacts per domain. I have selected this. There are 3 contacts per domain. I have already got some position filters like CEO, COO, Chief Executive Officer, Chief Operating Officer, Founder, Co-founder, Owner, Chairman, Director, Managing Director, Managing Partner. So basically I'm targeting the top suite here. I'm targeting I'm focusing on 3 contacts per domain per company basically, and I've got 20 companies here. Okay, so now I can also add United States here. As I've already searched that, so I don't need to, but I can also put it again. Now it is searching for emails. Okay, so from 20 domains it has got results for 8 domains and a total of 16 emails have been found. Okay, I will add to list. Now I will click add to list. When I will click add to list, it will ask, let's see, this many credits will be used, 16 credits will be used for exporting the 16 prospects. I will say okay, yes. Okay, so now it has exported those. I will go to the list. Now here's the list, and it will soon show us, yeah, 10 are valid emails and 6 are invalid or unknown emails. Okay, so sometimes there are also some emails that needs to be verified, so we can also verify them. Now I'm just going to export these prospects. Okay, I'm going to just in XLS form. Now here, okay, I'm going to open this, and I want to show you one thing more here, that why I chose 3 contacts per domain. Now why I chose 3 contacts per domain is this, because one thing is that okay, just give it a minute. You can also check for any repetitions here. Okay, remove duplicates, unselect all, email. Okay, now it has got less. Now you can also do this, filter, and only select valid emails. So now you get 16 or even less emails for that matter out of all those 20 companies, and this is why I want to show you that why I selected those. Okay, thanks, bye.